Yes, I'm laying down, and I'm laying on a motion pillow. And the motion pillow is actually tracking my sleep patterns, and when it detects me snoring, what it's going to start doing is it'll start inflating in the pillow and repositioning my head. Not enough to wake me up, just to sort of move me around a little bit so that I can start breathing better and stop all this horrible snoring. How much does it cost? Under $400. Turns out one other major feature is it's tracking my snoring throughout the night, and it's going to give me sort of log the data. So in the morning I can see what it is that I've actually done, whether I slept well or not, or how many times it's moved me around and that kind of stuff. Pretty cool.